is broken. You can see here the top right hinge broke off. Real common on these true units. You lift the door off from the bottom hinge, and you got two 3/8 bolts. Hold the top bracket on, and two Phillips screws hose the cartridge in the door. You remove the two bolts, take your plate out. You get a little pile of Meow Mix. Take the two screws out, lift your cartridge out. And then just replace everything back the way it came out. There's one little screw that goes on the top there that holds the bracket into the cartridge. And then your door's all back together.
H.V.A.C.